Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso, siguro uban kaninyo nakakita na sa iyang kinabuhi sa social media, mga kapuso, o sa ka-Amerikano nga backpacker na stranded dinhi sa Sugbo labi na ning panahon sa lockdown sa atong pagpaubos sa quarantine. Doon na siya mga gipang buhat sab aron makatabang sa komunidad nga iyang giistaran karon diha sa Toledo City. Karong buntaga, mga kapuso, mas ila-ilahon pa nato ni siya ang Amerikano nga si Dustin Borglin. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Dustin.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much. Can you tell us your story? Why were you stranded here in the Philippines, especially during our lockdown?
Well, it started December 2nd. I landed in Cebu December 2nd, and I bought a motorbike. And then my plan was to travel all through the Philippines for around 6 months. Mm-hmm. And then around, I think it was April or March, whenever the pandemic hit, I met up with a friend who I met around 4 or 5 years ago. I was coming back to Cebu to renew my visa, and that's right around the time when the pandemic hit. Mm-hmm. So fortunately, I was with my friend Raymond. He invited me back to his house to stay for maybe a week or two, and then now, about 7 months later, I'm still here.
Mm-hmm. So this is not your first time to visit the Philippines. You've been coming back.
Yeah, this is probably my, I think, 5th time maybe.
Mm-hmm. But why do you love coming back to the country, Dustin?
Philippines, there's so many reasons. The friendly people, basketball, I'm a big basketball fan and I love to play, and many people like to play here. And there's beaches, there's mountains, there's all the things that I really enjoy about traveling, they're here in the Philippines. So I'm very happy to be stuck here, if you want to call it stuck here, but I'm happy to be here.
Speaking of stuck, how is your, let's say, quarantine diaries, Dustin? How's it been like for the past few months staying here in Cebu?
I've been learning a lot. Mm-hmm. I'm in the province, so it's kind of my first time staying in the province for this long. So I've been, I tried just about every Filipino dish, kind of living off the land. I've been learning a lot of that with like planting vegetables, climbing coconut trees, and many other different things.
One thing, Dustin, that caught our attention with regards to your story is how you have been helping these families there in Toledo. Can you share to us more about this?
Well, it started when we got seven bags of 50 kilos each. Mm-hmm. And then just one food run. We went all around the province of the area here, mm-hmm. and started handing out food. And then from there, I kind of learned more about the neighbors. And most families didn't have a CR. So our very first project was building a family CR. Mm-hmm. And then from there, it just started to get bigger. We built a home for somebody. We built more CRs. I think we're on number 6 or 7 CR. And then we remodeled another home. And then we have more to come.
You've been using your social media platforms to help the community.
Yeah, I've been trying my best to.
So what have you learned so far with your stay there?
Oh, my sidekick Raymond, he's been teaching me a lot. He's a really good cook, so we've been cooking a lot of dishes, and we've been bee hunting. We go find bee. For my first time, I tried fresh honey, mm-hmm. and that was really delicious. And fresh coconuts, vegetables. There's plentiful of papaya, coconut, and many other different kind of vegetables.
Finally, Dustin, to cap this off, your message to your foster family, to the community there in Toledo, and to the Cebuanos watching us right now.
I just want to say thank you for being who you are, and please don't change, because that's why I keep coming back here, is because of the people. The places are great, but it's the people. That's why I travel. And the Philippines, that's why I keep coming back, because of just how nice the Philippine people are. And I just want to say thank you to you guys for being who you are.
All right, daghan kaing salamat. We hope you understand that. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Dustin Borglin from Toledo City.
Thanks for having me. Good morning.
Thank you. God bless you.